Want to know how to improve your prompt in Replit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Replit.com website. So you can just simply open up Replit and then just sign in. We have also created a video on how to sign in, so make sure to watch it. And once that is done, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface here, you should be seeing prompt, and in order to improve your prompt, you can just simply select get suggestion first, or you can just simply type in your prompt by yourself. So once I selected it, here you should be seeing improve prompt right here, right? So you can just simply select it, and once that is done, what improve prompt simply does is it starts to extend or improvise your prompt, and it should look just like this, so that you can see how it is done and how the references are given and style guides as well. So once that is done, you can just simply select start chat and you can just start building your web app, data app, or whatever this prompt says. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.